Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this video, let's start from question number 121. Question number 121. Toxoids belong to the class of immunological products which produce. The options are option A, naturally occurred active immunity, option B, artificially stimulated active immunity, option C, naturally acquired passive immunity, option D, artificially produced passive immunity. The correct option is option B, artificially stimulated active immunity. Then question number 122. Which of the following is a combined vaccine? Option A, DPT vaccine, option B, polio vaccine, option C, viral vaccine, option D, hepatitis B vaccine. The correct option is option A, DPT vaccine. So it means diphtheria, tetanus and pertussis. So combination of vaccine. Then question number 123. Drug which gives orange color when sprinkling on nitric acid is. Option A, codeine, option B, papaverine, option C, morphine and option D, tropane alkaloid. The correct option is option C, morphine. Then question number 124. Fruit which are derived from the plants umbelliferae are all the type of option A, cremocarp, option B, pericarp, option C, epicarp and option D, mesocarp. The correct option is option A, cremocarp. Then question number 125. Which of the following generally do not require altitudes of 1000 meter or greater for cultivation? Option A, tea, option B, cinchona, option C, camphor and option D, clove. The correct option is option D, clove. So other than that, it requires altitude of more than 1000 meters. Then question number 126. A soil is considered to be poor when the organic matter just falls below. Option A 0.1%, option B 0.5%, option C 2.0%, option D 5%. The correct option is option B 0.5%. Then question number 127. Which of the following is an adulterant of senna? Option A, Cassia acutifolia, option B, Cassia angustifolia, option C, Cassia obovata, option D, Cassia merrill indica. The correct option is option C, Cassia obovata. Then question number 128. Which of the following is arranged in the increasing order of silica particle size? Option A, sand, gravel, silt, clay. Option B, clay, sand, silt, gravel. Option C, clay, silt, sand, gravel. Option D, silt, clay, sand, gravel. The correct option is option C, which is arranged in an increasing order of silica particle is option C, clay, silt, sand, gravel. Then question number 129. Which plant prefers light, that is sandy and medium loamy, and requires well drained soil? Option A, clove, option B, coffee, option C, tea and option D, diascorea. The correct option is option C, tea. So tea requires light and medium and well drained soil. Then question number 130. Dash is the technique to produce entire plant from single individual by a sexual reproduction. Option A, biotransformation, option B, immobilization, option C, somoclonal variation, option D, clonal propagation. The correct option is option D, clonal propagation is the technique to produce entire plant from single individual. So thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, comment, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.